What we're talking about today is this actual door switch on top of the machine. Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Hunting Technologies. We are here today standing in front of one of our machines. This is actually the VH900. We do have it loaded with soda right now, so it is a little bit dusty inside of here and crusty. If you are running a machine and all of a sudden everything quits working, if you have a door switch, that is something you need to check. There's a plate here on the front that when this door shuts, it actually pushes this switch back. If this switch is not engaged, the machine will not run. There is a screw on the very top of this that can vibrate loose, and this arm can move in and out, which can cause this not to make good contact. If you've got a machine, you turn it on, nothing works, the first thing you want to look at if you have a door switch is that door switch actually made? And if you push it back slowly, you will actually hear it click. This one's all the way back, it's clicked, it's in place, it's working. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call. Phone number is 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.